In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can download the latest version of MySQL and then install on the Windows 10 computer. Finally, I will teach you how you can create the database and tables. So visit on mysql.com, then go to downloads, then click here MySQL Community Edition. Then we can click on the MySQL Community Server and download. Here we have different options. So you can select the version. Since I am using Windows 10, I'll click on Microsoft Windows and then I'll choose this one and click on the download. I'll download the 64-bit. This is web installer, but I don't need the web installer. I need an installer, so that offline installer. So I will click here and it will be downloaded. You can log in or sign up or just click on no thanks. Just start my download. So wait for the download to complete. So MySQL installer is downloaded. Now we will click on the run button to start the installation. Now we have to accept the agreement, then click next. So this is for developer, for development, so that's why we are installing the developer defaults. Based on the requirement, you can select the installation type. Now click on next. So installation is almost done. Now we'll click on next button. It's ready to configure MySQL Server 5.6.26. Now it is ready to configure MySQL Server 5.6.26 and some simple examples. Click on next. It's a development machine and these are the defaults. Click next. The root password, and it's asking for the root password. We'll just write root. In a production environment, you should give a strong password. Now click next, and it will install as a Windows. Now it is going to install it as a MySQL 5.6 as a service. Next and execute. Now everything is finished. Cancel. Okay, there is a MySQL command. So You can also access MySQL using MySQL command line. So it's asking for the password. You write the password root. Now we are connected to the MySQL database. Databases. So it is displaying these databases, and we will create a new database. Create database learning. So if you run the command show databases, it is also showing the learning database in the list. To connect to the database learning, we'll have to type connect learning. So it is saying it is connected to the learning database. Now I will show you how you can create a table. We'll create a new table called employee, called EMP. So here is the SQL create table EMP, first name varchar 20, last name varchar 20, and city is varchar 20, sex char 1, so this seems to be extra, and so this is the correct query. Now we'll run it on the console. This one. Now table created. We can execute command show tables, so it will display the tables in the database. We have only amp table. Now we are going to insert some data into it. To view the data, select start from EMP. So there is no data. Now we'll paste this query and run. So date should be in this 2015, year, month, then month, year, then month. So this is the correct format of this query. Copy it, then paste. Now it is the data is added. We'll run the query. Select start from amp. So it is displaying the data. So this way you can create database, connect to database, and then create table, insert data, and get the data from database. So in this video tutorial you have learned how to install MySQL 5.6 on Windows 10 computer, then connect to the MySQL database using MySQL command line, then create the table, then create the database and connect to database, then create a table, insert the data into table, and then fetch the data from the database. So you can visit our website and learn the MySQL tutorials here. So we have almost everything in the MySQL, and we have tutorials on Java programming and other programming languages here. So you can visit and check these tutorials. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our video channel.